Hey guys, this is Tatiana with GuruNanda. Now get ready to mix up your summer beauty routine with this grapefruit essential oil mix. Now all you have to do is take 2 teaspoons of coconut oil, and then you're gonna wanna get your grapefruit essential oil. So you're gonna add 5 drops of grapefruit essential oil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just like that. Get a little spoon and mix it up real nice. So it's all the way diluted and the grapefruit won't irritate your skin. Get some in the palm of your hand and you're gonna wanna massage it on your legs, on your hips, even your arms. And it feels so amazing. You're gonna wanna do this a few times a week. And the best part about it is that grapefruit is so refreshing. It makes it perfect for summer. Now for more easy DIY tips like this, you're gonna wanna tune in to GuruNanda on Amazon Live every week. See you guys soon.